Hi there, guys and gals. Good evening. Just got finished watching Baby. Oh gosh, some kind of a feel-good movie. I really love this movie, guys and gals. How I wish you can catch this up until this November 17th. For how many days? Oh gosh, 3 days. But I don't think that on this particular time will be also their screening time. But I don't know if there's still another more movies to come after this one, and just catch it up and check it out, okay, when you come over here in Gateway. And thank you, by the way, for the ticket, for the free movie ticket for this night. I really appreciate Madam, the three Madam who participated in this event. Thank you so much. I forgot. Oh gosh, I like. Oh, oh, see that, guys? Mm, Britney. It's Britney, bitch. See that, guys? Oh, what a special effects. Lovely. Ah! I, I just want to stay in here forever. Mm, see that? Nice shot. Don't have any makeup at all, but you know what, guys and guys? I really love this movie. Some kind of awesome, splendid, spectacular, realistic. But before we continue, guys and girls, I just wanna greet my um, what's that? My 13 lovely countries and my 7 subscribers, my first viewers who always watch my daily uploads. Thank you so much to every one of you. Hold on. I'll just take a pee, okay? Stay there. Gosh, how I wish I could have him also. I forgot his full name, but Chow. His first name is Chow, and he really looks like Josh Hartnett. The younger version of Josh Hartnett. This is a Brazilian movie, guys and girls, and it's a gay themed movie, and as what I told you, it's a realistic and what's that? Hold on. I'll just make some gargle, okay? There's a nudity in here and pumping scenes, and gosh, if you want to see some hot dogs, you really love hot dogs. And then what else should I gotta say about this movie? I couldn't say that much, but it's all about friendship and being exclusive, and the story also revolves in selling flesh, call boys, and sex workers. And I love the place wherein I love the place where it looks like here in the Philippines, and it's some kind of relatable, and then you can sorry, relatable, and what's that? And it's also involves drugs. And you know what, guys and girls? If you want to quit for something, you should tell your partner or your friend that you wanna quit, and then it also tells the story that how would you able to stay with your friend or with someone if there are some things to be considered, and if you think that it will take a risk, so you should choose if friendship or just by yourself. So sometimes it may consider this, some people are greedy, and some being what's this just being used to take for granted and took advantage with other people. So it's some kind of a bad. So if I were you guys, always be good to your friends, especially those who help you. We're gonna take a walk. And guys, if you have time, watch this movie. It's some kind a awesome, and there's a moral story, and you will feel the heart in it. It's not really a penetration or some kind of they just keep on, you know what I mean, the letter F, you see something, and there are some scenes which are very unpredictable, and it's not boring, and it's some kind of entertaining, and awesome, guys and girls. Please watch it, okay? Bye for now. So guys, please forgive me, I felt so how to call the thing, feel great about this movie. That's why I'm some kind of a speechless. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Special mention to my mother in Bicol, Fea Porto, and Monette Pacheco and Helen Carreta. Thank you. Bye.